Yeah, what are some of the strategies Statseeker employs to kind of maintain the security posture and the reliability of its platforms?
Obviously, security, reliability are core to any product these days. We employ role-based access controls to ensure that only authorized users can access specific data, and that's really customizable. You can really narrow these things down to a need-to-know basis. And good thing is that customer data stays on premises. We're an on-prem solution where you can deploy in the cloud, but your own cloud service, so you're not transmitting data, or it's not leaving the customer environment. And everything is obviously encrypted, and we're always performing regular software updates, vulnerability assessments, and we're staying ahead of any potential threats. We prioritize platform stability. We do a lot of rigorous testing and performance optimization. This really just ensures the Statseeker runs reliably, even in large, complex network environments. And these strategies are really at the core of us delivering a secure, stable platform that our customers can trust to monitor their critical infrastructure without any vulnerabilities.